Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. I had recently created a video to show you how to remove the background of your photos for free using this website called remove.bg. So this video goes a step further. Once I remove the background, I want to add new background to my photo or change the background. So let's take a look. So for this example, I'll take my own picture. If you see, this was my original picture, which has a brown background. So after I uploaded it to this website, the removed background, it shows it this way. So if you take a look at the actual picture after the background was removed, I had downloaded it before, so I will show you how it looks like. So you can see it's like it's just like a 3D image, just showing my picture and there's no background. So this is one way of removing a background. So, but now I can go one step further. I want to add a new background. I can use the same website and still for free. So to do that, click on edit. And now let's see. I mean, there are many ways we can add a background to my photo here. One is use their existing stuff, which they have given you so many options to add to your picture. I could also upload my own background if I have one. So, or I could find a good background online for free and which doesn't have any copyright on it, so I can still use them. So I just searched for free backgrounds, and I found a lot of pictures which I might like to use. So for example, let's say I like this picture, right? I right click on this and say save image as, and I just save it here. So now I go back to my picture here without the background. I click on upload background, and I just bring the background I just downloaded and added it to my picture. So this is one way of doing it. As I said, the other way is you could use one of the existing backgrounds they have here for free. So for instance, I live in the San Francisco area, so I would like, this is the Golden Gate Bridge. Let's see how it looks like if I want to use that. So I click on this. So you can see it looks like I'm actually standing next to the bridge. So this is a way to add new backgrounds to your picture. And this is my sample, but you could use any samples and make your picture a lot brighter, a lot better for your own pleasure. So let's see. I mean, now I can see once I've added it here, I can click on download, and then I can download the image. So if I go back and go to my download, I just open this. You can see the picture now, with the new background. I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Talk to you soon. Thank you.